Kasi ano lang yun eh. Week, tatlong, 8 weeks to eh. Pero dahil,
Tama yung sinasabing erase the board. Wipe the board. Clear the board.
erase the board.
Hindi, tama siya. Natural, ano naman siya. Okay, so let's answer this one. Everybody read. They blank every day. Okay, they blank every day. First, may I ask, what is the subject? Again? They. They. Is it singular or plural? Plural. Singular or plural? Plural. It's a plural. And when it's a plural, the verb must be without S or base form. So what is the answer? Run or run? The correct answer is number singular. Kapag singular ang verb merong S. That's why the correct answer is teachers. Bakit kaya hindi teach? Bakit kaya ang tamang sagot ay teaches? Because, yes Katrina? Very good. Because kapag nagtatapos sa CH, SH, S, X, and Z, dinadagdag ay ES. O, ganito lang po ang gusto kong sabihin sa inyo sa madaling salita. When we are in a simple present tense form, kapag plural ang subject, wala kayong babaguhin, wala kayong idadagdag. Naintindihan po? Base form lang tayo. Naintindihan po? And also, the pronoun I and you. Ulitin ko. Pag po, plural ang subject, tapos I and you, may dadagdag kayo. I and you, ano daw po? Without S. Form lang tayo. Pero kapag singular, ano yung sikreto natin dito kasi? Si singular merong S. Ayan, from the word itself, singular. Singular. Kapag singular, linalagyan ng S. Okay, makinig. Pero, kapag nagtatapos sa CH, SH, SX, Z, anong dinadagdag? ES. Okay. Dinalagyan din natin ng ES. Next po, kapag singular daw ang subject, like for example, ang fly magiging flies. Kasi ang Y papalitan ng I, tapos dadagdagan ng ES, eh magiging flies. How about this one? Study, magiging studies. Okay. Studies. Bakit kaya pinalitan natin to ng I then ES? Kasi ang subject ay singular o plural? Singular! Kasi sabi ko nga sa inyo, naririnig akong ingay, nagdadagdag lang tayo, nagpapalit kapag ang subject ay singular. Okay, what is the answer? Yes, John Roy. Yung first or yung second? Very good. The answer is, she replies to emails quickly. Bakit hindi kaya ito? Nagtatapos sa Y. Anong gagawin natin doon sa Y? Very good. Papalitan natin ng IES. Now, let's move. Ito naman, pass. Pag sinabi nating pass, when we say pass, it means it's already happened. Right? It's completed. Tapos na. So, these are the signal words. Everybody read. Past tense. Wala na kayong iisiping singular or plural. May iisipin kayong singular or plural? Wala. At ano ang idinadagdag natin? D or ED. Kapag sa regular verbs. Naintindihan? My room this morning. Okay, kaninang umaga. Ibig sabihin, nangyari na. Okay, what is the correct answer? Clean? First or second? Okay, next. First or second? How can you say that your answer is the second one? Dance. You add D. Am I right? And how can you say that it's already happened? Paano mo masasabi na nangyari na? Very good. Kasi may salitang last line. Wow, very good. Angelo, you're raising your hand. I love it. Close. Is it first or second? Very good. It's close. One clap for Angelo. Gusto ko yan, anak ha. Nagkukusa ha. Next po, ano naman to? Kung kanina, in our present form, In the if the subject is singular, we change the y into I and then add es. Am I right? But in the past form, the y into I and then add ed. Like for example, everybody. Okay, Katrina, please write the correct answer. Arno dyan. Quiet po. Kopyahin mo lahat. Tapos, anong gagawin mo doon sa y? Anong gagawin mo doon sa y, anak? Tapos?
Add ng ED.
Very good. Okay, good job. One clap for him. Okay. Oh, before you sit, can you please read your answer?
I get the heavy bag upstairs.
Okay. Good. Is it first or second? Very good. Bakit hindi kaya itong kapit na to? Ito yung COPYD. Nagtatapos sa D. Diyan, Micah. Tapos yung Y, anong gagawin natin sa Y? Then, dadagdagan ng E. Chop. Saan nagtatapos ang chop? P. Consonant, vowel? Consonant. Ano gagawin kay P? Double. Ano? Very good. Nakuha po ba? Ang ng D or ng ED. May pinapalitan. Nakuha po ba? You have to be familiarized, you have to memorize it. Is it clear? Sabi niya, yung D pinapalitan ng T para maging past tense. Ibig sabihin, maging past form para tapos na. Halimbawa, send. Di ba pag sinabing send, ginagawa mo siya. Pero pag sinabing sent, build, first or second? Very good. Everybody read? He built a house last year. One clap for Michi. Oh, yan, gusto ko yung ganyan. Nakikita ko nagtataasan ng kamay. Kaloka kayo. Art. Ano sagot? Ano? Len. First or second? First. Very good. Everybody? Good job. One clap for him. Okay, next po. Kung ang D pinalitan ng letter D. Yung D pinalitan ng T. Ngayon naman, ang O pinalitan ng E. Para maging pass. Para maging tapos na siya. Please read it, Jason. Jason only. One clap for him. Bakit? Hindi wrong grammar kapag ginawa natin ang node. Naintindihan? Bakit? Lahat basahin sabay-sabay. Memorize it because I will ask you. Everybody read it again. Bet. Wait. Right. Fly. Find. Dig. Give. Eat. Right. Find. Sick. Sot. Sick. Run. Flew. Ano yung ano niya? Present. Base. Take. Go. Eh, dapat sabay-sabay kayo lahat. Again, have. Have. Ano yung have? Have. Sit. Where? Say. Break. Feed. Tell. Okay, now let's move. Okay, so bukas na to, pero bukas sige, sinong magsasalita? Kayo, ako? Everybody, eyes on me. Okay, let's continue our lesson. Pero tomorrow na to. Pero i-advance ko na ng kaunti.